Hey guys, Saba here, and today I'm going to be building a 50 subscriber play button. Let's get started. So, I'm going to be building a 50 subscriber play button out of these pieces of wood, either these nails or these screws, and this drill, and the hammer if I need it in the shed. And you may be wondering, that's just going to look like wood. And you're right, I also have red spray paint, which is inside. So I guess I'm missing some stuff. Let me go grab that. Okay, there we go. Got a tripod, a box of spray paint on, spray paint, and I think we should be good. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to take these and either hammer or screw them together. I'm going to try screws first, but if that doesn't work, I got this back up. But judging by how long they are, I don't even think they're long enough, no. So I guess we're just going to have to use screws. Okay, future Christian here editing this video, and I just want to say, for some reason the clip corrupted where I said, oh, this didn't work, so we had to switch to using this piece of fence board, blah, blah, blah. But, yeah, it didn't, so that's why I'm sawing here. Anyways, back to the video.
Put your knee on it.
So now we got these two pieces of wood to work with. Which one looks more play button size? I'd say this one. This one looks a little long. So, yeah. And this play button isn't, as you can tell, is not going to be big. Like, my hand is going to be able to fit around it. But that's because, well, you know, this is 50 subscribers play button. So, yeah. Okay, so I've tested all of my spray paint stuff. So now I'm gonna actually paint it. But I thought I shouldn't do this part in a time lapse because, you know, this is fun. So the first thing I gotta do is paint it with this primer, Rust-Oleum, whatever thing. Yeah, so you gotta paint it with primer first so that the spray paint will stick. Yeah, I put a little 50 up there, by the way, so. Okay guys, I regret to inform you that I did the most terrible thing a YouTuber can do. Stuff off camera. I know, so dastardly. And that's because my camera died. But what I did is I took this, which is no longer the full thing as you can tell, and I cut off the top of it and I just sanded it some. So this is what it looks like. It goes this way. And I think it just looks really pretty. And yeah, we also pre-drilled the hole in that, so that's nice. But yeah, I'm sorry my camera died, but you guys didn't really miss much. So yeah, now I gotta repaint this, and then I gotta paint it gold, then I gotta paint that red, and then yeah. Okay, so we're really moving along now. I got that painted red, also the screw that's gonna go in. And I got the actual button of the play button painted white with the primer. And yeah, okay guys, it's been half an hour since that last clip and it's finally dry. So here's what it looks like. I haven't put it together yet, but here's what the pieces look like individually. It's gonna look something like this when it's put together, and I'm honestly just really proud of it, like the wavy texture and just everything. And I think these little nicks in it, like that and some of the scratches, just signify the fact that I'm not perfect. I'm a channel with 50 subscribers. I don't have 100K. I don't have anything near that. So I think it just perfectly is kind of like a metaphor, you know? But now I need to screw it in, so let's get into that. Look at that. I think I did a great job. Wow. That turned out way better than I thought it would. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and comment down below, and maybe subscribe on your way out. You don't have to, but it's nice if you do, and it's always appreciated. Help me reach that milestone of 100 subscribers, which would just be amazing. Oh, and when I do reach 100 subscribers, I will make a play button. You better be sure about that. And I will put the names of every single one of my subscribers on the back of it, and I think that would just look cool. But, yeah. And sorry for the late upload. I'm just totally procrastinated. But, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.